Why won't my pull cord pull to start the snow thrower? Snow throwers are useful wintertime tools that clear paths through the snow. Like all machines, they sometimes break down. A problem probably lies in your snow thrower's engine if you cannot pull the pull cord to start the machine. Compression stroke. Your snow thrower's engine might be experiencing a compression stroke. A pocket of air or fuel might be locking up the engine. Remove the spark plug from the engine and pull the cord to release the compression, then reinstall the spark plug. Your machine should operate correctly. Tangled pull cord. Pull cords periodically disconnect from their motors. Examine where the pull cord connects to the engine crank. Untangle the cord if necessary. You may also have to remove the pull start spool from its position and rewind the coil spring. Ice buildup. Your snow thrower might be experiencing snow or ice buildup inside the motor. Examine your machine to see if this is a problem. If you must remove any snow or ice, use a stick or other tool to do so. Using just your hands runs the risk of injuring or even losing your fingers.